2024 Heisman Trophy odds, straw poll. Colorado start Travis Hunter emerges as clear winner of coveted award, CBS Sports. ABC News to pay $15 million to settle defamation suit with Donald Trump, Financial Times. What we know about the mysterious drones buzzing over New Jersey, BBC.com. Jay-Z asks court to dismiss rape lawsuit over inconsistencies, BBC.com. James Kennedy's girlfriend, Lewber, says she's taking time to herself after his domestic violence arrest, page 6. James Kennedy's girlfriend, Lewber, says she's taking time to herself after his domestic violence arrest, page 6. Raiders' Crosby needs ankle surgery. Season over, ESPN. Billie Eilish hit in the face by an object thrown on stage at concert, Rolling Stone. Spain. Founder of Mango fashion chain dies in accident, DW, English. Trump nominees should steer clear of undermining polio vaccine, McConnell says, The Associated Press.